morning, dear children. After our Diwali vacation, we have to start again our previous syllabus. Okay. So before that, I told about the water, different foods, variety of foods. Yes, about some animals. Okay. So now we have to start a new lesson. Which one is that? Our kitchen. Yes, you all children should know the kitchen. Yes, I hope you know your kitchen. Do you know children's kitchen? Everyone house it there is a one separate room. In kitchen what we are doing first one? Your mother makes a delicious food in your kitchen. Okay. So open your textbooks and page number 66, lesson number 7, our kitchen. Okay. Are you open? All the family members are living in a house. Yes, you are living in your house. There are some different rooms. Living room, kitchen, bedroom, study room, bathroom, guest room, all the dining room. All these are the rooms we have. But there is some special room, this one, kitchen. So today we have to study about only kitchen. We have learned in the previous lesson that all living beings need food. Yes, variety of food. In that lesson, sixth lesson number 6, I told you all food needs all living beings. There are different types of food. People of different places have different food habits. Now let's know how food is prepared into your home. How and for which vessels by using your mother she is making say some different food. So first question they are asking to all the children, who helps in cooking food in your house? Do you help in your mother to cooking food? Yes, anyone? If not, then try to help in kitchen to your mother. Ask some easy work to do. Who helps in cooking food in your kitchen? Write down your name. If you are doing, then write correctly. How do you help in cooking? Means if you are doing help in cooking, then how? Means which work you are doing? You are washing vegetables. This easy work. You are washing vessels, utensils, some easy works. Name 5 things that are used for cooking in your house. Name 5 things that used for cooking in your house. Means which things you are using? You need a roller, chapati roller. Next one, some different pots, different frying pan, pressure cooker, mixers, all these things you need to make a food. Okay, page number 67. Here they are given one picture. Okay, see this picture. In this picture, Ramu, his sister, his father and his mother are cooking together. Answer the questions with the help of this picture. Who is Ramu? He is seated here. And his sister, father and mother, all of them are also present in this picture. So which items of work are they doing? We have to write the work which they are doing. What mother is doing? The mother is here. See in your books, children, and try to identify which work they are doing in their kitchen. What mother is doing? She is one sided off. She is making some vegetable, or other side on the gas stove. She is keep there a pressure cooker is on another side. Next one, what father is doing? Father is cutting the vegetables. He is cutting all types of vegetables. And what Ramu is doing? Ramu is washing that vegetables. He is cleaning that, washing that vegetables. And sister is, what she is doing? She is bringing a pot of water. She is taking some pot. In that pot have some water. Write the names of things that are seen in the picture. Which are the things you can see in this picture, children? Try to understand. All these things are also available in your kitchen. Okay, so which things are that? You have to write these things which you can see. Here are some ladders, some pot, cylinder, gas stove, vegetables, chapati roller, vegetable pot, filter water can is here, glass bowl is here, okay, knife. Some other things are available in this picture, okay. So here is a list of different material used for cooking. Put right mark to the ones you see in the above picture. Now they are given here some different materials, okay. Material used for cooking, which we are using for cooking, we have to right mark to that material. Cup we are using to make cook. No, cup using only for drinking a tea or coffee or milk. Steel vessels, yes, we are using that steel vessels for a cooking. So, right mark. Water drum, we are using drum. No, we are taking only water from different glasses. Cooker, yes, we are using cooker to make a rice or dal. Firewood, stove, oven, chapati roller, stand. Yes, we are using firewood, stove or oven to bake something different food. Chapati roller and stand. Yes, it's very needed in a everyday. Why? Because you are eating chapatis. Okay, and by using a chapati roller and stand, we can make a chapati. Spoon. It is used only to eat a food. We can't use it to make a cooking food. Plate is also not. We are taking only food on that plate. Pot. By using pot, yes, we are using pot for making some different vegetables. Knife. It is also useful to cutting a vegetables or fruits. Ladle. Ladle is used to take some water or vegetables. Next one, flour stirrer. Flour stirrer means you are taking wheat flour or jar flour on that using of flour stirrer. Water container, we are using that. Why? Because to take some water from that container. Glass bowl, you are using, yes, you are used to eat, you are taking some fruits or some sweet dishes on the glass bowl, in the glass bowl. Charcoal stove, we are using to make a food on that charcoal stove. Vegetable cutter, stand, kerosene stove, chapati roller, all the things we are using in your daily life to cut the vegetables. Here, make a list of all the utensils used in your house to prepare food. You have to write again here the all the things which I told right now. They are given here some essential material to using for a cook, used to cook. You have to write here the names, means what cup, steel vessels, plates, pot, utensils, chapati roller and stand. Next one, glass, gas stove, cutter, vegetable cutter. Next one, knife, pressure cooker, electric appliances. In that it comes to fridge, oven, mixer, all these things. Okay. Here they are given some one activity. How will you help? First one is it is very easy things. You can make it in your home also. Preparing lime juice. You are drinking a lime juice. In a summer days you are drinking lemon juice. Okay. So which materials you are using to make that juice, children? It's required only lemons, sugar, water. Three main requirements. So here brother is doing one work. What he is doing? He is cutting the lemons. Brother is cutting the lemons. Sister is brought sugar and water. So what you have to do on that time, children? You have to mix all these things in a by using spoon. Mix the things and your lemon juice will be ready. So you have to write here, mix the things. Mix the things. Next one, preparing hot chapatis. What you have to do? First one, if you are making a chapatis, see to your mother what she is doing. Firstly, you have to take a wheat flour into one pot, add some salt and water in that and make a correct dough. Then if you make a perfect dough, then next one, what will your father do? Knead the flour and makes dough balls. He will cut some dough and make some balls. Then next your mother will do rolls the dough balls into chapati. Your mother will do rolls with the help of chapati roller and stand. Your mother will do the chapatis. Your sister cook the chapati on the pan. Your sister what will do? She will cook the chapatis on the pan. And all of us are eat chapatis together. Then you, father, mother and your sister, 4 people should eat the chapatis. Next activity is here cooking rice. Rice, you are daily eating rice. Then what you have to do to make a rice? Grandpa, what your grandpa will do? Put the rice in a bowl. Firstly, you have to take rice in a bowl. Second thing, what we have to do to make a rice? Wash that rice for 2 to 3 times. You have to wash with the correctly. Take some sufficient water and wash it correctly. Next one, sister. What sister will do? Mix water into the rice, put a vessel on a stove or prepared rice and add some salt to taste. These are all your activities only. On next page, page number 69.